Hey Nolafax family, get ready to discover some of the coolest inventions and tools that will take your garage to the next level. From smart storage solutions to powerful equipment, these must-have gadgets will make your workspace more efficient and organized. Upgrade your workspace with the Snap-on Double Bank EPIQ Utility Vehicle, a top-tier mobile storage solution built for professionals. This heavy-duty unit features double-wall construction and a scratch-resistant powder coating, ensuring long-lasting durability. It provides an expansive 129,514 cubic inches of storage and supports up to 16,000 pounds, making it perfect for heavy tools and equipment. The impulse drawer system includes ball-bearing slides that hold up to 227 pounds each, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. With 17-inch EUV wheels and a reinforced axle system, moving the unit is both stable and effortless. The speed drawer and supercab drawer system allow quick access to frequently used tools and small parts. Additional features like lockers, a writing surface, and can trays keep everything organized and accessible. Whether in a garage, workshop, or on-site, this utility vehicle offers the ultimate in storage, mobility, and efficiency. Make parking easier and more precise with the Maxsa Park Right Parking Mat. This durable mat is designed to help drivers park accurately in garages, carports, or any designated parking space. It measures 21.5 inches long, 11 inches wide, and 2 inches high, providing a clear stopping point for vehicles. Made from tough rubberized plastic, it is built to last and withstand daily use. The mat features 2 bumps, one to alert the driver and a second, larger bump to indicate the correct parking position. A reflective strip enhances visibility, while a built-in drip tray captures dirt, water, or snow to keep floors clean. Anti-skid tape and mounting holes ensure secure placement, preventing unwanted movement. Available in black, yellow, and red, this mat is a simple yet effective solution for organized and hassle-free parking. Need to vacuum the garage and all of its contents? Here's an invisible hose that links up with existing dust extraction systems or a vacuum cleaner. The Vroom Retract Vac is a surface-mounted retractable hose system designed to provide powerful and convenient cleaning. It comes with a standard 30-foot hose, but it can be customized up to 50 feet for greater reach. The device operates at 120 volts, delivering 400 air watts and a water lift of 100 inches H2O. It features a 1-gallon dust capacity and does not require pre-charging, as it draws power directly from the system. Installation is simple, and it can be integrated into an existing central vacuum system. To use, just pull the hose until it locks, switch on the power, and start vacuuming. Once finished, twist the hose and cover the end, and the vacuum suction will retract it automatically. The Vroom Retract Vac is perfect for quick cleanups and deep cleaning tasks, ensuring a dust-free garage effortlessly. Swisstrax offers a high-quality garage floor tile system designed to improve both function and style. The Ribtrax Pro tiles measure 15.75 inches by 15.75 inches and are made from 100% UV-stabilized polypropylene. They have an open profile design with small perforations that allow for efficient drainage, keeping the surface clean and dry. These tiles can support up to 60,000 pounds of weight and are rated at 3,120 psi for compression strength. They are highly resistant to oil, gas, and other automotive fluids, making them perfect for garage and workshop use. The interlocking design ensures a secure fit without adhesives, making installation quick and easy. Swisstrax offers these tiles in 18 colors, allowing users to create a personalized garage space. With their durability and easy maintenance, these tiles are an excellent choice for both home and commercial garages. People store a lot of things in their garages, and finding space can be a challenge. Gorgeous Garage offers overhead storage solutions to help maximize garage space efficiently. Their stationary ceiling racks are built to hold between 750 to 1,000 pounds, depending on the mounting configuration. Available in sizes ranging from 4 feet by 4 feet to 4 feet by 8 feet, these racks provide adjustable height options from 26 to 44 inches. The heavy-duty construction features a patented open corner and T-brace system to prevent swaying. For added security, A 2-inch safety lip ensures that stored items stay in place. Installation options include ceiling-mounted or a combination of ceiling and wall-mounted for extra stability. These racks come in 3 color options: granite gray, desert stone, and white. Backed by a lifetime warranty, gorgeous garage overhead storage systems offer a durable and practical solution for organizing any garage. The Easy Utility Jugs by Risk Racing are designed for efficient storage and transport of various fluids. Available in 3-gallon and 5-gallon capacities, these jugs are constructed from durable, thick-walled, high-density polyethylene (HDPE) plastic. They feature a unique triple-handle design, including a top handle, side handle, and a front fingertip handle, ensuring comfortable and controlled pouring from any angle. An anodized aluminum breather is positioned on the back of the top handle to allow adjustable venting, preventing leaks and spills. For secure transport, an optional easy jug floor mount accessory is available, allowing the jug to be firmly attached to a trailer, van, or truck bed. Please note, these jugs are not intended for use as portable fuel containers and are not suitable for drinking water storage. Have you ever noticed the positions auto mechanics have to work in? They could really benefit from some added comfort, and this chair made in Canada is an option. It requires 10 weeks for production, but its weight is justified by its outstanding features. Notably, the backrest is adjustable from 10 to 75 degrees through a motor powered by 2 18-volt batteries. The chair, aptly named the Beast, boasts robust wheels for smooth mobility. It includes side trays for tool and part storage, catering to various needs. The ergonomic seat is fixed at a 15-degree angle to provide maximum support. Weighing 200 pounds, it is built with a heavy-duty steel body for durability. Additional accessories like a handrail with knee-driving control and a drill holder are available. The manufacturer also offers custom versions upon request, making it suitable even for aircraft factories. The MYCHANIC Tool Creeper Plus Pod Light combo is designed to improve comfort and visibility during automotive work. The Tool Creeper features a low-profile padded deck that allows users to slide under vehicles with ease. It includes integrated tool trays on both sides, keeping essential tools within reach. Smooth rolling casters provide excellent mobility, while its sturdy frame ensures durability for long-term use. The pod light emits up to 400 lumens and offers high and low brightness settings for different lighting needs. Its compact design and magnetic base allow for hands-free operation in tight spaces. The rechargeable battery provides up to 9 hours of runtime on low mode and fully charges in about 5 hours. This combination makes vehicle maintenance more efficient and convenient for any DIY or professional mechanic. Transform your garage into a well-organized space with the RYOBI LIINC garage storage system. This modular system allows you to customize and maximize storage with durable wall rails that support up to 75 pounds per foot. The wall-mounted cabinet features an adjustable shelf, integrated cord access, and a locking point for secure storage. For tool organization, the 2-drawer toolbox includes full extension slides and a lock bar for added security. Various storage kits offer a combination of hooks, bins, and rails to accommodate tools, ladders, and sports equipment. Made from high-strength materials, the system is built to last and withstand daily use. Installation is quick and straightforward, with visible mounting points for easy setup. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this system keeps everything within reach and neatly arranged. Expandable and adaptable, RYOBI LIINC is the perfect solution for a clutter-free garage. The Winntec Wheel Assist is an ergonomic tool designed to help technicians remove and replace heavy tire and wheel assemblies without physical strain. It can handle wheels weighing up to 60 kilograms and is suitable for sizes ranging from 13 to 23 inches. The device operates without hydraulics, pneumatics, or electric components, making it virtually maintenance-free. It features powerful gas springs that allow for smooth lifting from floor level to post-lift heights. The Wheel Assist is equipped with lockable caster wheels for easy maneuverability and includes a detachable loading ramp for added convenience. Its compact design, with a height of 1,800 millimeters and width of 685 millimeters, ensures it fits well in various workshop settings. This tool enhances safety and efficiency by reducing the risk of injury during tire and wheel handling tasks. The Miracle System Super Glue is a key tool for efficient paintless dent repair. It is specially formulated to bond securely with automotive paint, ensuring strong adhesion of glue pads during the repair process. The system uses a hot melt application method, where the glue is heated and applied to a pad before being attached to the dented panel. It sets quickly, allowing technicians to begin the dent removal process without delay. The glue works seamlessly with the Miracle System's dent pullers, including the strong puller and line puller. Once the repair is complete, the adhesive releases cleanly, minimizing the risk of paint damage or residue. Available in different pad shapes and sizes, it adapts to various dent profiles for precise results. This system eliminates the need for welding, preserving the original finish of the vehicle. With the Miracle System Super Glue, technicians can perform fast, safe, and effective dent repairs. The BMG Wheel Slogger is a powerful tool designed to make wheel maintenance faster and safer. Built with durable materials, it can handle heavy-duty applications with ease. It features an all-in-one torquing clip, allowing users to switch between multiple torque settings without changing parts. With preset torque levels of 450 Nm to 650 Nm, it also supports custom settings up to 1000 Nm for specialized needs. The ergonomic design enables single-operator use, reducing labor costs and improving efficiency. Suitable for trucks, buses, agricultural equipment, and military vehicles, it is a versatile solution for professionals. By streamlining wheel nut tightening and loosening, the BMG Wheel Slogger minimizes downtime and ensures reliable performance. The SEMA WDT 250 car drain cleaner is a specialized tool designed to effectively clear drainage channels in vehicles, such as those found in sunroofs and plenum chambers. It features a 2.5-meter flexible cleaning probe that maintains rigidity to navigate bends without kinking, ensuring thorough cleaning of contaminants like leaves and debris. The tool is compatible with standard cordless electric screwdrivers, enhancing its versatility and ease of use. Its robust construction meets the latest technical requirements, making it suitable for various vehicle models, including those with narrow and curved drainage paths. This tool is an investment in preventive maintenance, helping to avoid water damage by keeping drainage systems clear. Make parking easier and more precise with the Park-A-Dot Garage Parking Sensor. This innovative device integrates with your garage door's safety sensors to detect when your vehicle has cleared the entryway. Once the bumper passes the beam, it projects a red laser dot onto the garage wall, guiding you to the perfect parking spot. Unlike traditional methods like hanging tennis balls, this system offers a modern and more accurate solution. Installation is quick and simple, taking just 20 minutes to set up. It runs on 2 AA batteries, which last over a year for hassle-free operation. Compatible with major garage door brands, Park-A-Dot ensures safer, more efficient parking. Say goodbye to guesswork and park with confidence every time. Enhance your garage's illumination with the LIINC garage door lighting system. This innovative low-voltage LED setup delivers an impressive 14,400 lumens of 6,000 K daylight white light, automatically activating each time you open your garage door. Designed for seamless integration, it fits both single and double sectional garage doors, including wood, non-insulated metal, and insulated metal types. Installation is straightforward, typically taking less than an hour, with all necessary hardware provided. The system operates wirelessly, ensuring no cumbersome cords interfere with the door's movement. Crafted with quality components, the LIINC garage door lighting system is assembled in California, ensuring long-lasting performance. Upgrade your garage with better lighting and improved safety today. Illuminate your workspace with the Litistix LS36 SMD Rechargeable LED work light. This powerful work light delivers up to 1,200 lumens using 36 SMD LEDs, ensuring bright and efficient lighting for any task. It features 2 brightness settings, allowing you to switch between high and low modes for optimal visibility. The built-in 1800 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 4.5 hours of continuous use on a full charge. Swiveling magnetic grips and 360-degree hanging hooks make it easy to mount and position in any work environment. A rotating handle allows for adjustable lighting angles, giving you complete control over illumination. Compact and durable, it is ideal for automotive repairs, workshops, and other professional applications. With its reliable performance and versatile mounting options, this work light is a must-have for any workspace. The Tight Reach 3/8-inch professional extension wrench is designed to make working in tight spaces easier. With an extended reach of 10 inches, it allows users to access fasteners in recessed or hard-to-reach areas. Built with durable laser-lock construction, it ensures precision and long-lasting performance. The wrench supports up to 125 foot-pounds of torque, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. It is compatible with standard 3/8-inch drive sockets and can be used manually or with an impact driver. Equipped with an Ames light attachment system, it enhances visibility for better accuracy. Compact and efficient, this tool is a must-have for professionals and DIYers alike. The Automotive XC 500-33D wheel alignment machine delivers precision and efficiency for vehicle alignment services. Using advanced 3D imaging technology, it provides real-time, high-accuracy measurements for optimal results. Its high-precision design eliminates issues like cable dragging, battery replacement, and signal failures. The system features both voice guidance and an LED display, allowing technicians to make adjustments easily. With traceable and printable test data, it offers detailed reports for both past and current alignments. The expert mode reduces alignment time by over 30%, improving workshop productivity. Built with a stable column structure, the Automotive XC 503 is a durable and cost-effective solution for professional garages. The Viper Robust Steel Pro is a premium shop chair designed to provide comfort and durability for mechanics, automotive enthusiasts, and DIYers. It features a laser-cut steel frame and tool tray, both powder-coated to resist rust and corrosion. The chair supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring stability during various tasks. Its adjustable height accommodates different working positions, enhancing user comfort. Equipped with smooth rolling casters, the Viper Robust Steel Pro allows easy maneuverability around the workspace. This combination of robust construction and practical features makes it an excellent addition to any garage or workshop. The Vevor 4-ton low-profile floor jack is a powerful and reliable tool for automotive maintenance. Built from high-strength steel, it can lift up to 8,800 pounds, making it ideal for cars, trucks, and SUVs. With a low-profile design, it reaches as low as 3.94 inches and extends up to 20.98 inches for maximum versatility. Dual pump pistons allow for rapid lifting, while a rubber saddle pad and foam handle bumper protect your vehicle. A built-in magnetic tool tray keeps small parts within reach, adding convenience to any repair job. The sturdy 49.6-inch handle provides easy control and maneuverability. Durable and efficient, this floor jack is a must-have for any garage or workshop. That's all for today, friends. Which tools impressed you most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more amazing tools and gadgets. See you soon.